Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Good evening, everyone. My name is Yoko. This is Luna. Luna, you have to move. My name is Yoko-san. This is actually the beginning of the day here in the east coast of the United States, but I suppose it's 6 o'clock in India. I am going to play some music. It's a very difficult time for everyone right now, so I hope it's going to bring some calmness to the end of your day. Then I will talk a little bit about the innovation in hospital that we are doing with sound. So let's see how it works. Yeah. So what is this, right? This is an interesting instrument called theremin. So if I move my hand, it plays music. So if I'm closer to this, it's a high note. And if I move away, it's a low note. So whenever I'm doing this, I'm just playing this instrument. Okay. So, whew, that was that. So the Bansuri flute was by Deepak Ram, my dear friend. He's wonderful. And I will talk a little bit about what I do, I guess. So I was born and raised in Japan, and I started the piano when I was 5. And now I use this kind of a technology to create music and sound. But several years ago, I had health complications, and I had to spend lots of time in hospitals. You know, hospitals are very loud, so lying in a hospital bed, I used to wonder. Some people say hearing is the last sense to go when we die. So what is the last sound I get to hear at the end of my life? Is it like this? Unnecessary noise is the cruelest absence of care, Florence Nightingale said more than 100 years ago. Since then, medicine has progressed and technology is getting better, but not the quality of our sound environment around us. Luckily, I recovered from my health conditions, so I started an initiative to transform the sound environment in hospitals. So now my team is working with different hospitals and medical device companies to explore how sound impacts our experience, emotions, and environment. So that's what we do. If you remember the time that you are in hospital, what is the most disturbing sound you remember hearing? Some people say it's the sound of alarms, sound of people talking, the constant beeping of a heart monitor, beep, beep, beep. It's like a ticking time bomb reminding us that our time here is finite. And sound of silence can be very disturbing as well. When we listen to people talking about sound, their stories are always more than just about sound. They seem to reveal what it means to be a human during the most vulnerable times of our lives. One of the things that we did with Johns Hopkins Sibley Memorial Hospital was to create a relaxation space for hospitals' team members, like doctors and nurses, so that their break room can be reimagined as a sacred space. Because to promote a culture of quietness, we have to take care of people who care for others. We are also working with different medical device companies to involve people who are affected by those beeps, the sound of machines, in a process of thinking about sound and designing the sound of those devices together. Oftentimes, those machines get made in Europe or in the United States, and they get imported everywhere. But I think it's very important that all of us in the world work together, because I think different cultures perceive sound differently. So maybe people in India perceive certain sounds different from people from Japan. So I think we all need to work together in order to reimagine the sound environment in hospitals. So that's a little bit of what we do today. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna close off with a quick piece of music. Earlier today, I was talking to my dear friend Shimona. She said it's very nice to sing Om along with this music at home, especially that, we are all very stressed. So why don't we sing together in Om and see what happens? So let's start. Okay. I hope you have a peaceful evening. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.